One of the biggest misconceptions about building a custom home is that you simply pick a floor plan after watching a really cool video online, you call a builder, and you start building. If it was only that simple, but it most certainly is not. People, they don't know what they don't know, and that's not their fault. Most families are lucky to build one custom home in their lifetime, if ever. I've spent more than 2 decades immersed in this world, and everyone involved sees only their piece of the puzzle. The builder focuses on construction. The realtor focuses on the land. The architect, the plans. The problem is, nobody is helping the client understand how all of those pieces fit together. And I have lived that frustration myself while building our own projects. And I remember thinking, why is this so hard? Why doesn't anybody explain what comes first or what comes next for that matter? And I kept seeing the same thing with clients. They would get a pre-approval letter and then they would be left to figure everything else out on their own. Some people need one step at a time. Others can handle multiple things at the same time in parallel. Part of my job is knowing how to help each person in a way that keeps them moving forward instead of feeling overwhelmed. And that is what has eventually led me to create the build strategy here at Excel Mortgage. The framework allows me to bring clarity to a process that too often feels very chaotic. Getting pre-approved is incredibly important. In fact, it is the foundation of everything that we do here at Excel Mortgage. But it's only one piece of a much bigger journey. My role has never been to hand somebody a pre-approval letter and wish them luck and come back when they get it all figured out. My job is to help connect the dots, ask questions that people don't know to ask yet, and guide them through that entire process with confidence. And that's the difference between simply getting a loan from someone and building a home successfully here at Excel Mortgage.